Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 10th. Today we are doing Unit 3rd Information and Communication Technology of Part A. Part 3rd is Care and Maintenance of Computer. We all know that computer plays a very important role in our lives. We use computer for shopping, paying bills, using internet, and doing calculations and many more. It is important to take care of the computers by keeping them in good condition always. For a better life of a computer, it is essential to maintain it properly on a regular basis. We know computer is a machinery and we have to take care of our machinery so that it will give you a proper and long-term feedback. It will run for a longer time. So we have to maintain our computer properly. To maintain the computer, it has two categories, hardware maintenance and software maintenance. First is hardware maintenance. We all know that what is hardware? The devices you can touch and feel, like monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, cabinet, and other devices, printer, speakers, scanner. These are all the hardware devices. Then you have to maintain these hardware components. You can ensure the proper working of the hardware components by physically cleaning them, keeping them in proper manner, and by repairing them whenever required. Cleaning of the hardware components. Proper cleaning and maintenance of a computer ensures its smooth functioning. Like if we have a vehicle, two-wheeler or four-wheeler, we have to go for servicing time to time so that our computer and laptop needs service. An unattended computer can accumulate dust and may result in its poor performance. If you will not use your computer for a longer time and if you will not clean by opening the cabinet under the motherboard and CPU and printer, when you will not clean it and dust will come on it. Monitor. Use a soft cotton cloth to clean the computer monitor with a mild liquid or a plain water. Do not spray the liquid directly on the computer screen. You can use a blower, a soft brush, or an antiseptic vacuum cleaner to blow out the dust from the keyboard. Use a soft cloth to clean the oil and dirt from the top surface of the keys. Because daily using the computer keyboard and the mouse, the germs can enter in it. Mouse. If you are using a mechanical mouse having a ball under its body, then the chances of accumulating dust on it are higher. But nowadays, the ball mouse and mechanical mouse are not in these days. If you are using an optical mouse, then simply wipe the mouse from the above and below with a clean cloth. CDs and DVDs. Always keep the CDs and DVDs in their proper cases to protect them from scratches. Do not ever leave your CDs and DVDs open. Avoid touching the surface of the CDs and DVD with hands. For cleaning the surface of the CDs, you can use a special cleaning liquid. Always clean the CPU cabinet from outside as well as inside. Clean the backside of the cabinet as well. It is important to clean the CPU cabinet from inside also. Use a soft brush or dry cotton cloth to remove the dust from your digital camera. You can also use a special cleaning fluid to clean the lenses. We must not clean our phone lenses or digital cameras lenses with the water. There is a special liquid, you can purchase it from the market. Cover the computer system when not in use to protect it from dust. You can use an external hard disk to store the less frequently required files also. Completely uninstall the unwanted programs from your computer regularly. It means those softwares and those games and those unwanted files and folders which are there in your computer memory, uselessly waste they are uselessly putting your computer memory. So you have to delete all the files and folders which are unwanted or uninstall the unwanted apps or programs or games. Keep an antivirus software updated. Do not overcharge the batteries of the UPS or the laptop. We all know that. Always shut down the computer properly. Thank you for today's session.